Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO Pad and let me share with you how to enable the Google Backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and find About Tablet. Then let's scroll down and enter not detailed info and specs, but backup and restore. So let's tap on it. And here we've got the section connected with the Google Backups. So let's tap on backup. Now we have to tap on next and tap on add account. Of course, if you've got your Google account added to the device, you will be able to choose it from the list. If not, you have to add it right now. So here in this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it. And tap on next. So right here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. So here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course, you can read them, just tap on them and you will be able to check the info, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we have to decide to what kind of data we want to backup, so photos and videos or other device data or both. It's totally up to you. I will choose only this one and tap on Manage Backup. So here we've got our backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. Right here we can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it you've got backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some unnecessary charges. So to finish everything, simply tap on backup now, and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.